So we bought also what they call this one, a frame for wood cutting. We will use this one for cutting the wood later. So Foreman is trying to fix, because we bought the frame only. So we will put this machine later, the one we're using for the hollow blocks. So we borrow. Then we will set up over there later. So Foreman is doing the welding for the meantime. So this is his project. This is our new machine again. So we keep on getting more machine for the building. So Foreman is also collecting things for you. Maybe tomorrow we're gonna set up, because I asked the electrician to buy switch for these things. So that's Nelson and Foreman who's doing the work. Oh, Nyajay? Paano ikot na? So here in the Philippines, we called it the tistisan. I mean, using for cutting the wood. So Foreman bought this frame that is a little bit rusty and everything. But now, him and Nelson already fixed it, painted it, and do some work for welding. Like this one. This one, they put this one, they make this one where they're gonna put the machine. So now, this is now that very rusty frame of this wood cutter. So Foreman is doing some wood work for the top, where you're gonna put the wood later and you're gonna cut it. So he's doing now this one, a frame. This frame will go on the top of this machinery. So on the top of it, you will just put the wood and it's ready to cut. This one is using for the guide, so they're gonna put on the top as well. So if you want to adjust the measurement of the wood that you will cut, you will use this guide. Testing.
Stop. Stop.